Hello, I'm Hui from API Waseda University. Today, I will present our paper about fashion show. We rethink the fashion show. We would like to make use of AR technology to enable consumers to join a personal fashion show in their daily life. This is a brief introduction of myself. I'm a PhD student from Graduate School of Information, Production and Systems, Waseda University. My research interests include human-computer interaction and augmented reality. Let's start with an introduction of fashion show. A fashion show is an event to exhibit clothing designs for consumers. In a traditional fashion show, there are usually live models and runway. The live models walk catwalks and make poses. Also, there are high fashion clothes. But there are some problems of traditional fashion shows. First, the consumers hardly participate into the fashion show and watch themselves. Second, garments of fashion show deviate from usual life. And there is a gap between the fashion show and daily life of the consumers. So our question is how to make fashion show more effective for general consumers. This is our research goal. To solve the existing problems, we enable users to have a personal daily life show in their real environment. It has these features. We use the life-sized personal 3D avatar of the user self as a model. And the users can select purchasable clothes from shopping websites for the fashion show. Third, the personal avatar can interact with the real environment using AR technology. This is a comparison of traditional fashion show and our personal daily life show. In a traditional fashion show, live models walk the catwalk and make poses on a runway. They dressed in the high fashion clothes created by the fashion designers. But in our personal daily life show, the live model becomes the avatar of user self, and the show is taking place in user's real environment. Besides, the avatar can move around the real world and do daily life activities, wearing casual clothes. Next, I would like to introduce some related work. In the fashion industry, AR is usually used to narrow down the gap between the online and brick-and-mortar shopping experience. For example, the AR fitting room and magic mirror technologies. And also, AR can be used to improve the hedonic and utilitarian value of consumer experience. And the avatar in fashion show have been used as the fashion model. Stephen Gray proposed a VR fashion show in which the users can have a virtual model of the same shape as their own bodies. The avatar can be fitted with virtual clothes and walk catwalks in a virtual environment. However, the avatar can only reflect the body shape of the user. This is a demo video of our system.
In a traditional fashion show, live models walk the catwalk and make poses on a runway. We propose a personal daily life show. Using the avatar of user self, the personal daily life show is taking place in user's real environment. The avatar can move around the real world and perform daily life activities, wearing casual clothes which can be purchased from shopping website. The avatar is generated by using the images of the user's face and body. The user can select clothes from the shopping website. Then the user will obtain a dressed personalized 3D human avatar of user self. By wearing the head-mounted display, the user can watch the fashion show. The user can also make the avatar interact with the real objects, such as laying on a bed, doing sports on a mat, typing on a computer, and sitting on a chair.
This is our system pipeline. We use the images of user's face and body to generate a personalized 3D avatar for user. The user can select clothes from shopping website, and we generate the 3D garment model and fit to the avatar. By wearing head-mounted display, the user can experience the daily life show. In the daily life show, the personalized avatar can move around real environment. They can stand and walk, and they can interact with real objects. For example, sitting, laying, doing sports, and tapping. Next, I will introduce the implementation of our system. Our implementation contains 3 steps. First, we prepare a dressed personalized avatar. Second, we attach animation to the avatar. And last, we enable the avatar to interact with real environment. First, the generation of personalized avatar. We only need a face image of the user to build face model using the avatar SDK. And we use body images of the user, one front and one side image, to build the body model using 3D look. And next, we combine the user's face and body model inside 3D Max. After building the avatar, we need to make it dressed. We build the 3D virtual garment templates for each personalized avatar using Clothes Weaver. And we gather clothes images from shopping website. Then we map the 2D clothes images to the generated 3D virtual garment templates. Finally, we match the garment model to personalized avatar of the users. Next, we need to attach animations to the personalized avatar. Before attaching the animation, we need to rig the personalized avatar. That means we need to assign some joints to the avatar to give the avatar skeleton. And we also need to prepare some animations. For example, walking, sitting, tapping, and so on. Then we can attach the motion capture animations to the avatar via Unity Animator controller. Finally, we can obtain the personalized avatar with animations. The third step of implementation is to make it interact with real environment. In our daily life show, the avatar can move around the real environment. The process is first specifying the destination to move. To do this, the user one-clicks a point on the floor. Next, our system will calculate the distance between the avatar and destination. Then we change the position and animation of the avatar. For example, if the distance is larger than a threshold value, the animation of the avatar will change to walk, and its position will get closer to the destination by time. If the distance is less than threshold value, the animation will change to stand, and its position will not change. In our daily life show, the avatar can also interact with real objects. First, specifying a real object to interact with. This can be achieved by users double-click on a real object. Next, we need the object detection in the AR environment. There are two things need to be determined. One is the type of the real object. We achieve this by 2D image object detection. Another is the position of the real object. We achieve this by calculating the position of cursor. Then we change the animation of avatar according to the type of the real object. For example, for a chair, the corresponding animation is sitting. We also evaluated our system because we are interested in the impact of interactive level of virtual avatar in personal daily life show. We set three conditions: static personalized avatar, in situ animated personalized avatar, and real-world interactive personalized avatar. We recruited 12 participants for the evaluation. The result shows the participants feel the show with real-world interactive personalized avatar is more interesting, and they also feel more engaged in the show. Participants reported that they would more likely use the real-world interactive personalized avatar in the future. And they thought the real-world interactive personalized avatar is more helpful for wearing apparels. Last is our conclusions. In this paper, we propose a novel fashion show system, personal daily life show, using the AR technology. It has these features. First, adopting users' personalized avatar as the show model. Second, providing virtual 3D apparel models based on 2D apparel images from shopping website. Third, enable users' personalized avatar to interact with real environment using AR technology. And our evaluation showed that the real-world interaction of personal daily life show had positive effect to the fashion show. That's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention.